Hi guys, thanks so much for stopping by my video today. I love doing collaboration videos, and Christy and Melissa from Christy's Farmhouse and I'm Merely Melissa, they coordinate a monthly collaboration for all of us other YouTubers to be a part of, and it is so much fun. Each month has a different theme. So this month, for the month of April, we are doing Easter dishes. So I'm going to share with you 2 Easter brunch casserole recipes that are my favorite. So I'm gonna get those going. They are keto friendly, low carb, so super healthy if you're looking for a healthy brunch recipe. These are perfect for Easter, perfect for a weekend if you're gonna have some people over to serve a crowd. I love breakfast casseroles. I also make them for my meal prepping and just portion them into my meal prep containers. They're wonderful. So I'm going to make a keto French toast casserole and then also an egg casserole with ham and spinach. And they're both really good, really easy. And I want to thank you again, Christy and Melissa, for putting this collaboration together. They are so much fun. I cannot wait to see what everyone else is making. There's going to be a playlist. I will link it in my description box of everybody's recipes for this month's collaboration. So check that out. There will be so many awesome ideas for Easter recipes, brunches, all kinds of things. So check out that playlist. I cannot wait to see what everybody comes up with. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and click the bell button next to subscribe. It'll give you a notification each time I post a new video. Put a like on this video, leave me a comment if you have any questions at all, and I will get these 2 breakfast brunch Easter casseroles ready to go. All right, I have my oven preheating right now to 350 degrees, but for this keto French toast casserole, I got this keto bread. There's tons of different keto breads now at the grocery store, but this one is 1 carb per slice, so super low carb for each serving. There's no added sugar, no artificial flavors or colors or preservatives. So this is really, really great to do for a keto recipe. If you want to just do a regular French toast casserole, you could use any kind of bread you'd like, but I'm gonna keep this one low carb, keep it keto. With the keto, I also have monk fruit brown sugar and then regular monk fruit as well. I'm just gonna go in this to keep it all sugar-free. And then I have eggs, milk, heavy whipping cream, and cinnamon. I made this casserole last year for Christmas, or 2 years ago for Christmas, and it was a huge hit with the family. So it is perfect for an Easter brunch casserole to serve a big crowd. So I will get it all made up. For the mixture that's gonna go into my keto French toast casserole, I have 8 eggs. So I'm going to whisk these so that they are all nice and mixed up, ready to go. Break up all the yolks, and I'm gonna add in all the rest of my ingredients. First, I have my heavy whipping cream, and I have these awesome silicone measuring cups that I love for liquids. So I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of milk, and then I have my Swerve sweetener. I have 1/2 cup of the white one and then 1/2 cup of the brown Swerve sweetener. I have a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of vanilla. And I will just mix this whole mixture together and combine it all, and it will be ready to go into my casserole dish with the bread for the keto French toast. This is such a hit. It tastes just like French toast. It's so delicious. So this was a really big hit with my family. So I have my baking dish, and I'm gonna spray it really good with cooking spray so that nothing sticks to the sides and the bottom. Once it's sprayed, I'm going to add in, I cut up the whole loaf of keto bread. You can definitely use regular bread if you like, if you don't want to do it a keto type. So you can use regular bread, but I just diced it all up into small pieces. And I'm going to pour in all of my egg mixture just right on top of the bread. I'm going to bake this in the oven. It takes about 45 to 50 minutes, and then this will be ready to go and to serve for your Easter breakfast. I'm also gonna do a keto egg casserole. So I have my eggs I'm gonna put in the bowl, and then for this one, I'm going to do diced ham. I feel like ham is just really good for Easter. My family loves to have ham on Easter. It's just kind of one of those Easter foods. But I'm going to use 10 eggs. I'm gonna whisk it together with my milk, and then I will add into my baking dish my ham, spinach, and some cheese, and then this will be ready to go. This is so easy and so healthy. I love making this all the time for meal prep for the week. It is just an awesome casserole. Hope that you guys enjoyed these Easter brunch recipes. Thank you again so much, Christy and Melissa, for hosting this collaboration. I love doing these every month with you guys and everyone else who's gonna have their videos in the playlist. So check that playlist out in my description box. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and also put a like on this video if you liked this one. Hope that this gave you some inspiration for some Easter brunch recipes, and hope that you have a really great holiday. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.